Wealth. Some of the biggest hedge funds in the world have blown billions of it, like long-term capital management. You know why? Look at this image. Now, you might think, what the hell has that got to do with making money and wealth? Well, essentially what it's saying is stock prices and portfolio prices will generally on a day-to-day basis or a month-to-month, week-to-week, year-to-year, stay within relatively narrow ranges. So in any given day, the price of Microsoft will probably go up or down 0.5%. However, what this graph is also saying is traditional mathematics underestimates the fact that extreme moves or black swans happen more frequently than mathematics would suggest. So fat tails or black swans happen more frequently. What does that mean? Well, the risk you're going to blow up in your portfolio is greater than you actually realize. One of the ways we protect against that is we ensure the kind of companies that our clients own are the type which they'd want to buy more of, not panic exit. Secondly, we make sure that they don't ever become forced sellers. So they've always got a cash buffer, which isn't in the market at all. Because when you're a forced seller, the mathematics suggests you're more likely to end up suffering catastrophic long-term losses. And don't worry if you don't know all of this or understand it. Like I said, long-term capital management actually had 2 Nobel Prize winners on its board, and they got it wrong. See, what happens is when you look at the maths alone and don't realize the actual reality of fat tails and black swans, what happens is you take more risk than you should have done. You leverage up. You even borrow money in order to go into the market on the basis, in the hope that, think of it a bit like a roulette table, it won't come up the number 1. And guess what? Most spins comes up number 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever else. But the one times it comes up number 1, you lose everything. So you're fine for 33 months, maybe even 33 years. Everything gets wiped out as soon as the fat tail gets hit. They don't protect that downside risk. Like I said, for our clients, we're focused very much on that downside risk because it's about survival, not just making money. And to protect against those falls, there'll always be a cash buffer, and there'll be times when we will hold cash, like 2022. It's that ability not to wipe yourself out, which allows you to grow wealth for the long term. It's rarely understood, sadly. If you'd like to learn more, alpeshpatel.com for free education. Tell your parents or parents, tell your kids,